example, if I want to choose snow, and click that and click open. Now when this comes up, your window's pretty small. If you put your mouse over different parts of the screen, you'll see it become arrows. Then you can click and hold down to the left mouse button and drag and make it bigger. So if you want to see more of your window, you can do it that way. Now over here, it refers to the world, camera, light, ground. Of course, the camera is what's viewing this. There's a light source. If I click the light source, you see it comes up with properties down here. If I click the ground, then you see it also comes up with properties, and then there's methods and so forth. I can come down here and choose a particular property. Like here, instead of white snow, I can have green. Of course, this is just a texture, so this is allows you to change it to whatever. And here's a, or I mean, it's just the ground, so you can change it to wherever you want, green or white, whatever. Now, if I come down here, you see there's a skin texture, and that's if you look real close, there's a little bit of, it's just not colored, but it's actually got a texture pattern to it. Okay. This a little bit. There we go. We're going to see all these during this class: the properties, methods, function, because these are different items you can do. Now here it talks about a method, and method you can think of as a programming construct. So you're going to do something. So you see down here the while loop. We saw the while loop before, the if else. What Alice introduces is creating a object-oriented environment, so you can learn a little bit about object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is one of the more difficult topics for an undergraduate student, and this gives you a very friendly approach to it, where you're actually working with objects. Now there's your menus up here. I choose File. You can save it, just like you might think. You can save it as, if you want to save it and then do some changes, but keep the original. Some of this I never have done. There's export video, so if you want to make a video out of it. There's edit preferences, tools, and then your help. So I would encourage you to explore that. You see over here, it talks about a clipboard, and we'll talk more about, or looks like a clipboard, and we'll talk more about that. There's a trash can up here. You can probably figure out what that's going to be for. Then the play is, if we program something, then we can click the play, and it'll play it. Now, since we haven't created any methods or anything doing anything in here, then you won't see it do anything at this point. Okay. And if you think about it, the world is everything. Then within the world, we have objects. We have a camera object, we have a light object, and a ground object. So all of this is object-based. And that's just a very quick introduction to Alice.